In this video, I want to show you what to do in case your Sony TV is lagging. You're trying to open menus, things, it takes time, and even when you press the buttons, it takes a second to react. It's not very snappy, and yeah, the experience is not great. Well, if this happens to you, the first thing I always suggest, the TV can be turned on, that doesn't matter, is to go ahead and disconnect the power cable from the wall outlet. Let it sit on the ground, and meanwhile we're gonna find the power button under your Sony TV. Sometimes it's here, sometimes it's on the side, and if you don't find it, well, in some cases, like in this one, the button is located on the back. So with the TV disconnected from the power, press this button during 40 seconds. Okay, keep your finger pressed. 40 seconds later, release, and now go ahead and connect your TV in your wall outlet. This is a simple reboot. Nothing will be deleted, and fortunately, after it starts working, it will not lag and it won't be that slow. Now, if you're still having issues, you need to do a update. There's a good chance that there's an update pending, and this is why it's getting slow. So let me show you how it's done. Press the right side arrow, so we navigate on the top of the screen until you select the cogwheel. Select the cogwheel, so it's all settings, by pressing the middle button. Next, we want to go down in this menu until you select System. Okay, select System. Now go down, select About, and the first option should be System Update. Select System Update. It will check for any updates. Obviously, your TV needs to be connected to the Wi-Fi if you want this to happen. And right now it says System Update ready, download and verify. It will tell you the size of this update. And once you're ready, select Restart Now. This is what I will do by pressing the middle button here. And the update will begin. Usually it doesn't take more than a few minutes, depending on how fast your internet is. Just let it do its thing. If you're still having issues, even after an update, or maybe there was no update pending, I suggest you do a factory reset. This will obviously delete everything, but yeah, the TV will be like brand new, and usually they don't lag when they're brand new. So let me show you how to do a full factory reset of your Sony TV. First thing, you need to be on the home menu, as I am right now. Press the home button over here if you're not over there, and then go with the right side arrow on the top of the screen until you select the settings right over there. Once you're on settings, select all settings. It's the cogwheel on the top. Go down and select System. Select System, then go down and select About. Go down until you select Reset. Select Reset, Factory Data Reset. And now you'll have to confirm, because this will restore your device to default settings and erase all data, all accounts, files, and downloaded apps. So it will be completely wiped out, and the TV will be like brand new. So if you're reselling this TV, you don't want the next person to have access to your Google account or any apps or any things you have done with this TV. Well, by doing this, well, it will be fresh, like brand new. So go ahead, select Factory Data Reset. Press enter. It will take a few minutes, sometimes 2-3 minutes. The TV will shut down during that reset. Don't touch anything until you see the setup menu appearing on your display. So I suggest you come back in 5 minutes just to make sure it's done completely. And yeah, once you've done this, you'll be able to set it up with a new account, fresh, like it was never used before. So thanks for watching. If this was helpful, take a moment and write a comment, subscribe and like. This is helping my channel. I thank you, and I wish you a beautiful day.